had an amazing holidays, a Merry Christmas. We definitely did here in our household. It was amazing. Lots of joy, lots of family. Unfortunately, it has come to an end. It is time to undecorate, take everything down, get it packaged up for next year. So today's video is going to be a reset day. You guys are going to be a part of it, of course. It is gloomy. It has been gloomy for the past couple of days. It's been raining past couple of days. Today is not raining, it's just cloudy. But we're going to take advantage of this gloomy day just to reset, get ready for 2022. The new year is almost here. Today is going to be all about a new clean slate, starting 2022 on a fresh start. So I'm gonna get everything taken down so I can get a deep clean done here soon and just start this new year out fresh. I'm so excited about starting out fresh. I am sad to see my decorations go because I love Christmas. Christmas is my favorite time of year, and I know once everything comes down it's gonna look so empty in here because I have had decorations up for months. Each season, each holiday, I decorate for each holiday. So this is gonna be a small little break in between where we don't have any decorations up, but then for Valentine's Day and then into spring and summer, I'll definitely have some stuff going up. But I'm gonna enjoy the minimal look for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into some loungewear and we're gonna start jumping into this video. So this is what we are looking like. Got the tree down. The garland is down. Balloon garland is down. We're getting ready to finish working on the bar cart. And I have all this to take care of. I went ahead and made me a cup of coffee in my new little Starbucks cup. It's like a little tumbler. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a load of the laundry going. So I'm just gonna go around and gather all my Christmas blankets. It is a sad day to see this one go. I'm gonna miss it until next year. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these in the wash. Girls got these cute little hot cocoa mugs for Christmas, so they wanted to give them a go and asked me to make them some hot cocoa. So I'm about to whip up some hot cocoa on a perfect day to use these. I'm having to find a stopping point so that I can start cooking dinner. It's still early. It's probably like 1 o'clock right now, but I'm gonna make beef stew and I'm just gonna throw it in a crock pot. So I need to get it into the crock pot now so that it can be cooking while I finish up this madness, because it's chaos everywhere. But I did manage to get all of this put up, and I'm gonna start moving this out into the garage, and then I'm gonna start preparing my meal to go into the crock pot, and then I'm gonna continue pick back up where I left off. So yeah, I still have the table to do. It's a mess, but we are making progress. up storing my spode up here, my Christmas plates. So over the years, I have just been losing piece by piece of my spode. I didn't want to risk it anymore. So I decided not to store those out in the garage. I put some up in this cabinet and then the rest are going over top of my refrigerator. So the table is bare. It is empty. I have these couple of pieces to get put up. But everything else is empty. I have to put that up. But everything else is put up in the garage. And I have my stew going. Woo! So I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. Thanks for hanging out with me today, you guys. Thanks for undecorating with me and getting my Christmas decorations put away. Now it is just ready for a deep clean. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead and just end this video here. Eat some stew soon. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video.